Hey everybody, this is Energetic Waistbeads and welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna jump right into today's video. This is a tutorial on how I do my chakra gemstone bracelets. They are adjustable and I'm creating it from start. Initially, I'm using wire to create the band and then I'll have some chain to connect to it. So at first, right now, I'm just creating the loop in which I can hang my chain from. So I'm just taking my pliers and creating like a small loop with 2 rounds to make it, nice and secure. After it's secured, I'm gonna start stringing on my beads, and I'm also using the needle nose plier. I'm just using it close to the tip to create a small loop so we don't have anything bulky. I did speed it up a little bit. Now I'm just stringing on my gemstones and I'm going in the order of the chakra colors. And y'all, don't get on me, okay? I know my angle is not the best, but I am working on perfecting my videos. All right, so anyway, now I have completed the chakra colors. I'm closing it up by creating another loop, and I'm going around it twice again to secure it and make sure it's nice and sturdy. This is the other component to the bracelet. I'm using 2 small jump rings to connect the chain to the chakra band, and I'm going to close it back. The 2 tools that I use is just 2 small needle nose pliers to make sure it's nice and tight when you close it together. And we have completed our chakra bracelet. I really do love it. It is adjustable, so you get to move the band up and down and adjust it to your liking. Also, it's so sparkly. It's very soft and delicate. It's a nice piece. Of course, I had to add a little something. I can't just let it be a plain chakra bracelet, so I wanted to spice it up a little bit with an ankh charm. I'm gonna place a small one. I'm just trying to figure out which side, but I'm gonna connect it using a small jump ring, and then using the same needle nose pliers, I'm going to close it back and make sure it's secure. Alright guys, it is all done. So this is my adjustable chakra bracelet. I love it so much. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for tuning in. Please be sure to like and subscribe if you liked this video. And leave a comment below. Let me know what you want to see, what you want to see next, if I could help you with any other tutorials. Much love, you guys, and until next time. Bye.